Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you guys how to get custom anime desktop icons. You guys have probably already seen where I did this on my phone and I showed you guys how to make them. And I just thought maybe I should do it for the desktop, for your PC, so you can bring a little bit of that anime themed over to your PC. So if you're anything like me, you probably don't even like desktop icons. I usually keep mine hidden, so my desktop just looks like this. But I thought maybe I should spice it up a little bit. So let's get right into how you're gonna do it. And this is easy, it's only a couple simple steps. You don't have to download anything, and pretty much anyone can do this. And you can literally make it any picture, anything you want. So first thing you wanna do is find your icons that you're gonna use. So we're gonna be doing Twitch, Overwatch, Google Chrome, Discord, and then a little games folder I have, just to show you guys how it works on all of them. And after you have your pictures all picked out for the apps that you're gonna put them over, you're gonna wanna go to this site called Icon Convert. So once you're in Icon Convert, you're gonna browse and you're gonna go select those images. So I have them on the folder. And let's just start with Overwatch. We're gonna click on Overwatch, upload it, and it's gonna look like this. So then we're going to select what we want it. You can have the square, a heart, you can have borders, but we're just gonna go with a circle. And then we're gonna go like this. It's gonna take it and set it right there. Then we're gonna come down here and select multi-size in one icon, and then check all of these boxes just so they fit for whatever. And then we're gonna hit convert, and then we're gonna download our icon. We're gonna save it to that icons folder again. And then after we save that, we're going to come over to the icon, and we did it for Overwatch. We're gonna right click on it, go down to properties. We're going to go down to shortcut, change icon, browse, and then it should be in that folder we made again. And we're going to apply. Okay. So as you can see, that's Overwatch, and it now has a different icon. And I actually like it a lot more. I actually might keep it on. And you can change the name for all these too and just make it look nice. I want to see what you guys can come up with. So if you guys do this, send me screenshots of what your desktop looks like, and you can do that by sending them to me on Twitter. I want to know which combos you guys can come up with and how your desktop looks. One thing I do like is desktop aesthetic. I think that's one of the best things that you could have, a clean looking desktop. So if you guys do this, let me know, send me the pictures on Twitter. My Twitter will be in the description below. But let's do it for the rest of the icons now. Okay, so now that we have all of our icons down, we're just gonna start changing them. So let's start with Discord. We're gonna go to Discord, properties, change icon, browse, select our Killua Discord icon, and select. And one reason why you can't just use a regular picture is because this file is an icon file. So that's why you go to this website here to get them converted. You get them converted into an icon, and then that allows you to change them. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. For folders, it's a little bit in a different place, but it's still easy to access. You just go to the Customize tab, change icon, browse, and then you select your icon for it. So this is going to make your desktop look a whole lot better, to be honest, because it's a lot better than some of the generic icons we have already. And one thing about me, I just like customization. And this is the final product. These are all my custom icons, and I did make them a lot bigger, but these are something I actually might keep. And if you guys wonder what the moving anime background is, that is something called a Wallpaper Engine that you can get through Steam and select multiple. And just there's tons of them, tons of moving anime backgrounds, and I'll show you guys a couple of them. So a lot of you probably already know what Wallpaper Engine is, but this is it, and it just lets you select anime backgrounds that move, play music, and this is another thing that could really change the aesthetic of your desktop. And this is another wallpaper I like to use with Wallpaper Engine. It moves, it has nice colors, you have your waifu there, so it's just everything in one package. And this is just how to spicing up your desktop icons just a little bit, just like how you would do for your phone applications. If you guys like this, let me know and comment if you guys are going to do this or not. And then if you do it, make sure to send me screenshots of what you guys come up with on Twitter, how you make it. I want to see what you guys got. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. And with all that said, I want you guys to have a good day and peace.